Hello friends, welcome to a new lecture today. In this, we are going to learn some MCQs in preventive medicine and in the topic primitive medicine. First, Samuel Hahnemann is referred to as founding father of homeopathy. Samuel Hahnemann is referred to as founding father of homeopathy. Matching of authors and their books. If you see, Susruta has written Susruta Samhita. Avicenna wrote the book Canon of Medicine. Hippocrates wrote the book Air, Water and Places. Third question. First true epidemiology in history of medicine is Hippocrates. First true epidemiologist in history of medicine is Hippocrates. Then question 4. Match the following. Susruta Samhita is the father of Indian surgery. Dhanvantari is Hindu god of medicine. Hippocrates is father of public health. Hippocrates is father of medicine. Hippocrates is father of medicine. Cholera is father of public health. Then question 5. Susruta Samhita book was translated by Hessler. Hessler translated the book Susruta Samhita. Father of Indian surgery is Susruta. Then question. Cradle of civilization is given by Mesopotamia. Then if you see scientific medicine. First, in the topic scientific medicine, first question is match the following. Patent coffer is called patent coffer has given multifactorial causation of disease. Louis Pasteur has given germ theory of disease. Aristotle has given spontaneous generation of theory for diseases. Then match the following pioneers of preventive medicine and their achievements. Edward Jenner. Edward Jenner has found out vaccination against smallpox. Walter Reed has given the transmission of yellow fever. James Lind has given prevention for scurvy. Then, which of the following is known as father of public health? Father of public health is given by cholera. Cholera is called as father of public health. Smallpox vaccine was introduced by Edward Jenner. Malarial parasite was discovered by Charles Alphonse Laveran. Smallpox was invented by Edward Jenner. James Lind is related to discovery of prevention of scurvy. Theory of web of causation was given by McMahon and Pugh. Question 16. Who discovered the transmission of malaria by Anopheles mosquito? Ronald Ross discovered the transmission of malaria by Anopheline mosquito. Question 17. Smallpox vaccine was invented by Edward Jenner. Thank you guys for watching my lecture. Thank you.